Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we're working on this wheel horse, but I need to get the gas tank fixed. It's all rusted up from cleaning it out last year, never doing anything with it. I took all the gas, it had like a half a tank of gas. I should have just left it in there. And now it's all rusted up, so I need to tear it off so we can put some gravel or marbles or something in it. Maybe try some white vinegar to help break the rust up. But to get that gas tank out, we have to remove the rear end. So that's today's video. Remove the rear end and get the gas tank out. So stick around, enjoy the video, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. Leave a comment, hit the like button if you like the video, but stick around, we'll have some fun. Alright, let's get this rear end tore out. First thing I gotta do is jack it up. Anybody feel like chicken tonight? Old Rocky. Old Rocky likes to know that, let you all know he's still around. Get that rear end out and the gas tank out. I'll probably put some fresh paint on it. But I'll probably paint the rear end black. Too much red on these things. Alright. First off, we gotta take this pin out. Get rid of that. And put this pin right back in there. This thing is bent. I'll have to replace that. That's out. What else we gotta do? Gotta take the belt off. Gotta take. See if you can see what I'm doing. Bring it in here a little closer. Got to take that belt off right there. Here's the drive belt. Let's take that dude off. Right there. Right there. Found my ball peen hand robber before the other day. There we go. Now the belt's out of there. Okay. It looks like the brake assembly needs to come out. There's a spring over here. We'll move you over here so you can see what's going on. Yep. It's like crap. Well, that flux cord ain't working very good on that. I'm not much of a flux cord person. Well, that's it for today. Get some gas for my welder. But that's going to be it for today. Next time we'll get that, try to get that tank fixed while I'm out and cleaned in, and we'll get her installed. Try to clean that rear end up. Get some engine degreaser, clean it up, throw a fresh coat of paint on it, clean that mess up under there, throw a fresh coat of paint on it. I don't know if that's the, yeah, that's, I'd say the seal. Looks like the seals are leaking on that pulley there. I don't know if I can find a seal for that. Let me get seals for this, that, and possibly that brake. Change the oil in it. But that's it for today, guys. Next time see this, maybe I'll have all that put back in. It will be reverse of what I did to take it out. But the goal is get that gas tank back in action, clean it out. Some guys use marbles. I want to try that. Or maybe I lost my marbles. I don't know. But now I'm just going to clean the shop up and call it a day. Then I got to go mow. With that. Mow with that. This don't have a deck. But until next time, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.